This entire video was created by Imagemagik's AI, and you are watching the final result right now. What if you could turn a simple sentence into a professional looking video in just minutes? Let me show you how. Start by opening Imagemagik.app. From the homepage, tap Video Generator to open the text to video tool. Now describe the video you want to create. The more clearly you describe your idea, the better Imagemagik's AI can bring it to life. Next, choose the aspect ratio that suits your project. After that, choose how long you want your video to be. Then select your preferred image model, Zimage or Flux, depending on the style you want. Once everything looks right, tap Generate Video and let Imagemagik's AI do the work. While your video is being created, this is a great time to see why so many creators are choosing our text to video generator. Instead of spending hours filming, editing, or searching for stock footage, simply describe your idea and let Imagemagik's AI transform it into high quality video. Whether you are creating custom artwork, marketing visuals, product videos, or content for social media, it helps you turn concepts into stunning visuals in seconds. Your video is now ready. Open the preview to watch the finished result. Finally, download your video and start sharing it anywhere you like. Visit Imagemagik.app today. It is free to start, so create your first AI generated video and see the endless possibilities of Image Magic. Thank you for watching. See you next time.